Welcome to activities 5 and 6 of our virtual field day. Our two games are pretty fun today. Remember, our first game that we're going to do can be done inside or outside, and then our second game is an optional water game. If the weather is nice or if you're able to get outside, that will be one that you might get a little wet doing, so you have to go outside for that one. But our first game that we're doing today is called Laundry Pile Long Jump. So I'll explain how to play, but first, we need some pieces of equipment. So the first thing that you're going to need is some sort of a laundry detergent. So you can either get a laundry detergent jug like this, or you might have a bag of maybe some different pods or something like that, or whatever you use for your laundry. This is what you're going to use as kind of your starting point. So the point that you're going to jump from, that's going to be kind of like a marker for you. And then the next thing you need is just a pile of laundry. So I have some towels here. You can get towels or you can get a pile of clothes, but make sure that you ask your family members first before you grab laundry. They might not want it to be super, super clean and folded laundry. So I just have some towels here. You can use whatever you like. You will need a laundry detergent of some sort and a pile of laundry. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like to set up for laundry pile long jump. Long jump, you can start as far back as you want, but what you're going to do is you're actually going to run up to that laundry detergent that you put there as your starting point, and you're going to try and jump, starting from that laundry detergent, jump over your pile of laundry or towels or whatever you have. Now, if you are doing this by yourself, then you can try to keep beating your jump and your distance. So every single time you jump, you can move that back a little bit farther. Move your laundry detergent back a little farther so that you have a different starting point. If you're playing with a partner, then you could go one time, then your partner would go. Then you could move your starting point back. And the first person to fail at their jump would lose. So you can choose how you want to play, but I'm going to show you what laundry pile long jump will look like so you can get an idea and go have fun yourself. Are you ready for laundry pile long jump? That we're going to do is our water game. This game is called the Jumping Cup. So for the Jumping Cup, you will need some pieces of equipment, like always. Our first thing that we will need is a pot filled with cold water. So make sure that this is cold water and that you fill it up about halfway or a little bit more. But you need a big pot of cold water. You will need a cup that is empty. It doesn't have to be this big. It can be a small little plastic cup or whatever cup you choose to use, but you will need an empty cup. And you will need a smaller pot that is empty, nothing in it at all, because this is the pot you will be filling up for this game. Now, the last thing you'll need is just something that you can jump over that can get wet. I'm probably just going to use my flip-flop, my shoe. So you can choose to use a shoe or something that is okay getting wet for you to jump over in this game. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to set up for the Jumping Cup. The Jumping Cup, you are going to start where the empty pot is, where you have the cup in the pot waiting to be filled, and you are going to run to the pot that is filled with water. You're going to fill your cup up as much as you can, run all the way back to your starting spot, and that's where I put my shoe, because now you have to hold your cup and you need to jump back and forth over your object 4 times. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever water is left in that cup, you're going to pour in your empty pot, and you want to try to fill that pot up as fast as you can. If you're playing by yourself, then time yourself. See how fast you can do it. If you're playing with a partner, then you'll just need double the object. So you'll need 2 pots with water, 2 empty pots, and 2 cups, because you'll be racing against your partner to be the first one to fill up their pot. So let's go play the jumping cup.